In this video, we will learn how to set up email account for first time in Mozilla Thunderbird. Let's open Thunderbird on our PC. Go to Start menu. Search for Thunderbird. Press Enter to open. You can see no account has been set up previously. Type name you want to use for your email. Type email address. Now type your password. Click on Continue. Everything will be configured automatically if you are using Gmail or Outlook account. I am using Gmail account to log in. Click on Done. Now login form will open for your email. Click on Next. Enter your password again. Verify your account if you have enabled two-step verification. Now you have to allow Mozilla Thunderbird email to access your Google account. So we will click on Allow. Now we have set up our email account successfully. You can see email and folders are loading. That's all. You can see this message, account has been created successfully. Subscribe channel, like and share this video.